I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I wanted to show you the difference between our scars and some of our competitor scars. This is what we would consider a hypertrophic scar or just a bad scar following a hair transplant. I had the opportunity to do a second procedure on a patient, and this was my scar after, and this is our scar after our hair transplants. Making sure that we bring the edges perfectly back together, making sure that we prevent hypertrophic scarring, and getting good results. Again, this is the area of our competitors, and this is our scar, all the way around. So if you're looking to have a hair transplant or even a scar revision, please call us here at Natural Transplants. I'm Dr. Siegel. Thank you so much.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.